Good afternoon guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today I just thought I would do a cold start video on my Opel Manta. I've not really done a great deal of topic conversation regarding the Manta yet, so I'm going to do a proper full-on walk around video at some point in the very near future, but for now I just thought I would do a cold start video. It's not particularly cold weather-wise, but I shall do a cold start video nonetheless. So if anybody who doesn't know, this is a 1.8 Berlinetta. The 1.8 on the Manta is a carburetted engine. The original engine had a automatic choke. This one has been converted to the upgraded Weber, which means we now have a manual choke. So I'm going to try it with full choke and see what we do. My battery voltage gauge doesn't actually show anything when the engine's off, but I think it does display when the engine's on, so let's give it a try. Maybe not. I think it's safe to say I didn't need that much choke. Right, I just put the choke in a little bit too fast then. Oh, I've got battery voltage reading now. There we go. My rev counter's not currently working. My fuel gauge is working, so that's good. My oil pressure gauge is working, so that's good. And my battery voltage is working now. It wasn't working before. But this car is it's one that a friend of mine bought out of Jersey. So the plates at the moment are Jersey plates, and it had been sat for quite a few years. It had been sat for quite a few years at my friend's house as well. So that's probably why things like the voltage gauge weren't working at first. Probably because they're just a little bit sticky. But yeah, it's running sweet. I'll just push the choke in a little bit more. There we go. It's soon got to a nice tick over. What I will actually just do, mind my hand. Oh, if I can get the bonnet to pop. Nope, can't get the bonnet to pop. Or has that popped? No, it's not popped. Sorry guys for the dodgy camera work. Oh, video fail. Can't get the bonnet to pop. I've got that problem on my Mark 1 Cavalier, strangely, that sometimes I can't get the bonnet to pop. No, it's definitely not popped. But anyway, you can hear that it's ticking over quite nicely. Nice little throaty exhaust noise. Please ignore my driveway, it does need a really good clean. It needs a proper jet wash. It's got a lovely little exhaust noise though. As you can see, there's no smoke or anything. Ticks over really nice. So yeah, the 1.8S. So yeah, you can see the Jersey plate, J21444. Sadly, when it gets registered in the UK properly into my name, I will lose the Jersey plate, which is a shame, because it would be cool to be able to keep that J plate. So it looks like a cool private reg, but now unfortunately I'll not be able to keep it. So a little bit of a video just showing you around the interior a little bit. It does need a good clean. You can see here on the door panel, I did actually, from about there to there, give it a bit of a clean the other day with some car shampoo I've got, and I don't know if the difference will show up on the camera between there and there. I think it does show on the camera, doesn't it? Look how grubby that is there compared to that, and I only give it like a quick 2 or 3 minutes brush over. So with a bit more time and effort spent on it, I should be able to get the interior cleaned up really nice. I would actually love a proper GT interior, because the GT seats are the nice Recaros. These ones are a bit plain, but then again, being the age it is and the car it is, am I better off keeping it original? Keeping it with the original Berlinetta interior? Probably so. But yeah, you can see it's ticking over nicely now. See if I can put the choke all the way in. That's it with the choke all the way in. So it's not quite ticking over perfectly smoothly, but yeah, it could probably do with a little bit of choke still until it's warmed up a little bit. It's a bit weird going back to a car with a choke. It's proper old school. I'm just going to try again, guys, and see if I can get this bonnet to pop, because I would like to show you under the bonnet. No, it doesn't seem to want to go. Oh well, that's something I'm going to have to try and fix ready for the next video, and then I can show you under the bonnet with the engine running. So I might do a part 2. So I might see you shortly in part 2 once I've got the bonnet open. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Bye.